Hello, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor. We are professional air compressor manufacturer over 17 years, located at Shanghai, China. Today, there are two set oil-free school air compressor ready to ship to Saudi Arabia. This is oil-free water lubrication 100% class 0 oil-free school air compressor machine. The air compressor is widely used for pharmaceutical factory, food industry, or hospital. This is a two-set 30 kW school air compressor machine, one working, one standby, and also can working together according to the customer requirement. We have already installed the whole system before leaving factory to make sure when the air compressor arrives to customer factory, it's very easily for installation. Okay, you can see this is the two-set oil-free school air compressor with a stainless material piping system. It's 100 to anti-pollution. This two-set school air compressor compress air to enter the stainless air storage tank. This is also stainless material. Okay, now after the tank, there is a precision features. Italy technology with pressure difference gauge and auto drainer. Okay, this is the stainless material plate type refrigerator air dryer with green refrigerant and with the stainless plate type heater and the inner pipe is also with stainless material, so it's working with high efficient driving efficient and using with for a long time. And then two level precision features. Okay, the compressor is also equipped with a desiccant air dryer, and after the desiccant air dryer to make sure the compressed air more dry. After the desiccant air dryer with two level precision features. Okay, now we'll open the air compressor shell to let us see the inside. Okay, here is a pre-feature. It's very easily to replace and clean. The compressor equipped with a frequency inverter to make sure the air compressor working with variable speed driving for energy saving and very small start current. This is a Schneider electric component. It's also a good brand on the market to make sure the quality. And this is this is water air vessel to separate the compressed air and the water. It's also with a bigger size than ordinary and with stainless material, working with higher efficiency. Okay, this is the key part of school air range. The school air range with the stainless material and higher efficient single stage, and the warranty is over 1 year, and the using life is over 5 years. This is water feature. And all inner pipe with a stainless material and with fourth generation press technology connection. The working pressure is 30 bar. This is another key part in electric motor. ZIQI Compressor adopted WEG brand. WEG is the second biggest motor manufacturer in the world, quality assurance. And the ZIQI Compressor adopted the class 4 super ultra efficient WEG asynchronous motor with IP55 protection, class 5 insulation, class B temperature rise, suitable for any harsh environments, and the working with more reliable and longer service time. As for ZIQI Compressor, founded in 2007, ZIQI Compressor adopted the WEG motor all the time, but the WEG with lower failure rate when we using. Okay, if you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye.